Hello students, this is Akanksha here from Vidya Bhavan Public School. Today I will discuss with you the topic fundamental unit of life, cell. As you can see here, fundamental unit of life. Unit of life means that thing, that particular thing which is responsible for any living thing, which is necessary for any living thing, that is called cell. Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of any living thing. Either it can be plant and it can be animal. Cell is necessary, cell is necessary for both of them. Now question arises, who discovered the cell? Cell is discovered by Robert Hooke. He is a scientist who discovered the cell in the cork of tree. Cork of tree. He discovered the cell by the microscope. Now look at the board. This is the structure of plant cell. There are two living things, plant and animal. So same cell is also plant cell and animal cell. This is the picture of plant cell. In plant cell, these are the structure, the outermost layer. This is called the outermost wall, that is called cell wall. Cell wall. It is present only in plant cell, not in animal cell. This is the difference between plant cell and animal cell also, that in plant cell, cell wall is present, but in animal cell, cell wall is not present. Then this structure is called plasma membrane. This structure is called plasma membrane. Its work is to transport gaseous exchange and material, food material and many more things, oxygen, carbon dioxide. These things are transported by the plasma membrane and it is semi-permeable. Semi means मतलब ये जो होती है ये पर्टिकुलर कुछ चीज़ों के लिए है, परमिएबल होती है मीन्स कुछ ही चीज़ों को it allows some material, some things to export and import inside or outside. This is the plasma membrane. Then the structure that is called in the center, it is called nucleus. Okay, this is the nucleus. It is responsible to all metabolic activities inside the cell. Without nucleus, any cell is not live. Okay, so this is the most important structure of any cell, nucleus. Inside the nucleus, fluid is present, that is called nucleoplasm. What is called? न्यूक्लियस से बना है. न्यूक्लियस के अंदर जो प्रेजेंट है, the fluid present inside the nucleus, that is called nucleoplasm. Okay, and this you can see this fluid dotted. This is called cytoplasm. Cell. What is this? This is cell. This is the diagram of cell. And what fluid it's called? It is called cytoplasm. Cell से बना cytoplasm, nucleus से बना nucleoplasm. Getting? Cytoplasm inside the cell. The fluid, the jelly-like, the fluid inside the cell is called cytoplasm. Inside the cytoplasm, many more cell organelles are present. These are the cell organelles like mitochondria, plastids, Golgi body, ribosome, lysosome, endoplasmic reticulum and chromosome. These are the cell organelle which present inside the cell and inside the cytoplasm. They perform different kind of function. We will discuss it later. First of all, plasma membrane, you are getting the outermost layer of cell, that is called plasma membrane. Inside the cell, inside the cytoplasm, nucleus is present, that is necessary for life the cell. Then I said cytoplasm. This is cytoplasm. Inside the cytoplasm, cell organelle and nucleus both are present inside the cell, inside the cytoplasm. So cytoplasm is divided into two parts, protoplasm and nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm is this and combine together, when they combine together, that is called cytoplasm. Cytoplasm and nucleoplasm and protoplasm combinedly called cytoplasm. Okay, cytoplasm divided into two parts, protoplasm and nucleoplasm, and combinedly it is called cytoplasm. Now moving forward to the cell organelle. Here you can see this is mitochondria. What is the function of mitochondria inside the cell? It is the most important cell organelle. Okay, this is the most important cell organelle. It is also known as powerhouse of the cell. What is the function of powerhouse in our life? In our life, electricity will come. Electricity is coming from powerhouse. Getting na? So here mitochondria is function like that only. It provide energy. It provide energy to perform different kind of function. Then plastids. Plastid. Do you know? Have you ever seen plants are making their food by their own? How? Due to the presence of chlorophyll. That chlorophyll, shall we prepare our food in presence of sunlight? No, never. क्या हम धूप में खड़े हो जाए, हम अपना food खुद synthesize कर सकते हैं? No, not possible. Oh, that's why this is plant cell. I draw the structure of plant cell. In this cell you can see here chloroplast. This is the another organelle which is present only in plant cell, not in animal cell. Because animal cannot synthesize their own food by the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll, because chlorophyll is not present in the animal. It is present only in plants. Okay, that is the plastids. Okay, now we are talking the plant cell. So what are the plastids? Chloroplast. Next होते हैं chromoplast. What is the function of chromoplast? The color of flower, the color of different fruit. जो fruit of flower का color होता है, chromoplast is responsible for that. Chloroplast is responsible for stem and leaf, green color, responsible for green color, and chromoplast is responsible for color of fruit, different fruit color like red, yellow, purple, different kind of flower and fruit we are having. Then next is Golgi body. This is Golgi body. This structure is Golgi body. What is the function of Golgi body? It's the packaging of material. जो भी सेल के अंदर मटेरियल है उसको पैकेज करने का काम Golgi apparatus और Golgi body. You can say Golgi apparatus. You can say Golgi body. Next one is lysosome. Lysosome is also known as suicidal bag. Suicidal bag. क्या suicidal means? खुद से आत्महत्या के थैले इनको हिंदी में बोलते हैं. तो what is the meaning of suicidal bag? कि वो खुद ही सुसाइड कर ले रहे हैं, है ना. सुसाइड से तो यही मतलब निकलता है. तो क्या होता है, जो भी हमारी डेड सेल हैं या जो भी हमारा ऐसा मटेरियल हमारी बॉडी के अंदर या हमारे सेल के अंदर हमारे एंटर कर गया है, उसको डेड करने का काम, उसको मारने का काम वो खुद कौन करता है? लाइसोसोम. नेक्स्ट इज क्रोमोसोम and endoplasmic reticulum and ribosomes. They all are cell organelle. Ribosome is performing protein synthesis. The function of ribosome is protein synthesis, to synthesize the protein inside the cell. Then chromosome. Have you ever listened the name chromosome? Chromosome is the genetic material which transfer the, like you are having the same कुछ ऐसी आदतें आपकी होंगी जो आपके पेरेंट्स से जैसी होंगी, तो वो पेरेंट्स से आपको मिली, इनहेरिटेंस है ना. दैट इज जो है वो कौन ट्रांसफर करता है? वो क्रोमोसोम ट्रांसफर करते हैं. क्रोमोसोम, इनसाइड द क्रोमोसोम जीन्स आर प्रेजेंट. वो जीन रिस्पॉन्सिबल होते हैं हमारे जो भी हमारे पेरेंट्स से मिलती जुलती आदतें होती हैं उसके लिए. वो भी कहाँ हमारे सेल, इनसाइड द सेल प्रेजेंट होता है. तो दिस इज द होल explanation of about the cell. I don't think so कि here any problem is there. You understood about plasma membrane, you understood about nucleus, and you understood about cytoplasm. Inside the cytoplasm, these all cell organelles are present. Okay, I hope you like this video, and if any query you can send any message to me. Thank you so much.